Hello everybody. Today what we have here is a Quorum pinwheel ceiling fan. You're probably wondering, oh my god, this is the 6th time he's filmed this fan. Well, this is a new one. There's my old one right there. But I don't plan on keeping both of these. Another one of these will probably be going off to a good friend of mine. But yeah, I got this one off of Facebook Marketplace. It's in pretty rough condition. When I first received the fan, it was covered in cigarette smoke. Like, it was really bad. Like, this fan looked like brown. Like, the yellow parts on the fan literally looked brown with how much cigarette smoke was on it. I might have a photo of the before and after. But yeah, this is after a long, deep cleaning, and I still couldn't get all the grime and stuff out of the blades. I tried my best. This is one of the Davenport models, which you can tell by the black motor inside of it. My other one's a Davenport as well. When I received this fan, the light kit was all messed up. I had to replace one of the spotlights. First of all, it was a dent. Second of all, I looked inside of it and there was just never a socket there. So I replaced it. I know I could have just put another socket in it, but I was being lazy, so I just threw on a different spotlight. The blades are probably in the most terrible shape out of the rest of the fan. The motor, the switch housing are actually in pretty good cosmetic shape. But the blades are, I mean, just look at the red one. It's terrible. And I don't know if you tell, but the blades are like expanded a little bit at the end. I think what I plan on doing is that one of my other friends is making a custom like template for these. You know, be making a brand new set of blades. I would like to try to get a set from him, because I feel like this set kind of just like not worth the effort, because they're all like expanded and stuff at the tip of the blade, you can see, and they're just dirty and scratched and not fun to deal with. This fan also has kind of a wobbling problem. When I received it, the blades were bent each way until Sunday. But anyways, yeah, they were bent really bad and still pretty scratched up really bad, so you can tell by the yellow one. But yeah, also the wiring harness like basically crumbled in my hand. When I first went up to test this to see if it worked and stuff, the reverse switch literally like disintegrated. And I had to borrow a pull chain off of it, so I just used a wiring harness from my other one. So yeah, here's the spotlight. Honestly, I probably wouldn't have bought this fan if it didn't have the spotlight. If it didn't have the spotlight, I probably would have just left it. Yeah, that was the main reason why I bought it. You can tell that's the new one. Alright, let's get to the demonstration. Low speed. You can start to tell that it's still not balanced perfectly. Blades are still kind of out of clock. There is a notable motor noise you can also hear. Forgot the date of the fan. One of my friends told me the date of it and I forgot, but Just medium. And there's the wobble. These are pretty cool fans, in my opinion. I know this has these fans are very, how do I put this? There's a lot of mixed feelings about this fan in the community. It's either you love it or you hate it. There's no in between. Some people think this is the worst thing ever made. Some people love it. Low and medium don't really move that much air, in my opinion, but high does move some air. Somebody said that these were probably the best kids fans ever made, and I can agree with that. Overall, it's a pretty cool fan, in my opinion. I like it. It does actually move some good air on high. I mean, it's nowhere near a Blender fan or a Hunter Original or a Gold Line, but it moves some air. I don't know why I did that, it's just gonna wobble again. And that's it. Screws can spin down. I'm not doing that. And thanks for watching. Bye.